Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to change profile picture on Monopoly Go. The process is quite simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. After it opens, tap on the three lines which are on the right top. As you see, this is my profile picture on Monopoly Go. And how can I change it? If I tap on this one, I can only switch to another avatar on Monopoly Go. And here, I can't see any option of changing profile picture. So how can you change it? Best way of changing profile picture on Monopoly Go is your account is linked with your Facebook account. So go to your Facebook and change the profile picture off your Facebook account. Once you will change the profile picture off your Facebook account, then the profile picture on Monopoly will be changed automatically. And if it will not change, then simply tap on the last option settings and tap on the option manage account and disconnect it with your Facebook account and reconnect it with your Facebook. And then your profile picture or Monopoly will be changed. So by using this method, you can change your profile picture on Monopoly Go.